him now.
Here I come.
Oh,
here I come.
Over here, say what I got.
Hey boy, don't make me this here.
This what?
Don't make me blood clot.
Tell me on the camera, so. Yo, now go for foot. Yes, like the video, guys, watch out now. As you know, see from the title, you know what time it is. You see me? Yeah, man. Maybe not do that prank for a while on the channel, but this time, as you know, see, me have the IRA. Me want to can get a sponsor from the company. You see me? Yeah, you see me? But guys, watch out now. Today, me have grown and I got a random person. I say, yo, are you use the bathroom for juicy beef? And me are the janitor. So guys, watch out, I want to like the video, share the video, tell a friend about the video. You see me? Because we out here now, we not going, you know. You see me? Big up Brookie and the behind the camera. And guys, watch it ads. Comment your parish and we did it. We are trying to go in a new location. So just comment your parish. And guys, just thank you for your support. I know you use the bathroom for KFC, so don't try to grow on me. I know me use it. And you're shitting it and you're not flush it back. Somebody just asked you to come flush the toilet.
When?
Just a while ago.
I was not in KFC just a while. And the camera was sorry.
Don't tell me no lie before me kick you off of your foot. Me are the janitor in there.
Let's go into KFC.
Go up there, son.
No.
Go up on the wall.
No, brother.
Go up on the wall.
Go to KFC.
Me say go up on the wall.
The camera will verify it's not me.
Me have you yourself on the camera, then send me. Then why would I come to you?
Please, show it to me. I was
Listen
in
to
KFC
me,
yesterday.
I'm the janitor, okay?
Sure. Show it to me on the phone, and I'll do everything you want me to do.
Wallace.
Show me everything.
Why you going shit up a KFC?
Big man, show it to me on the phone, and I'll do everything you want.
Sure, what am I show you?
You said you have it on the phone, me being in KFC. I haven't been in KFC today.
But I got proof. See shit on your pants there and sit
Big man, I have not been in KFC today. As there is a God above and the ground on our feet.
Where you go?
I was not in KFC
Then
today.
where you go?
You're responsible for KFC. What do you mean where I go?
Then I lie, you tell
No,
them.
but you're changing your story.
No, I'm not changing my story.
You're saying you caught me in camera in KFC, shooting the place. That's what you just said. It's not me. Maybe somebody look. Big man, I have not been in KFC today. I have not been in KFC today.
Then where were you then?
What do you need to know? I'm walking down from the fucking Texaco gas station.
Alright, you know what I'm going to do? Back up on the scale.
Yeah.
You know the point.
No problem. Come. Well, no, I'm going to stay waiting.
No, you're
not.
Go on.
Big man, where are you going? I'm not going to let you just take your story straight. People, look on this man and look on me because I've not been KFC. He's representing himself to be security for KFC. I don't believe
I'm not a security. I'm the janitor for KFC. I cleaned the bathroom.
Okay.
We saw you in there shitting it. And I am...
Let's go to KFC and look on the phone. Let's go.
Well,
KFC, I don't want to. Let's go to KFC.
All right, come on.
KFC, take your hands off me. If you're a janitor, you can't put your hands on me.
So wait,
I'm coming.
Hold on, let me ask you a question. Why you coming in the bathroom in the first place?
I have not been to KFC.
So why you coming in the bathroom in the first place?
If I've not been to KFC, I couldn't have come in your bathroom.
Then why you coming in there for?
Listen carefully. I have not been to KFC today.
So me an idiot.
I'm not going to say that. Big man, look on the camera. You will not see me on the camera. Well, I'm not going to lie for you.
I know you.
It's not me.
Jolly your pants.
Why? What?
Shit stay nice or shit stay there for your pants.
Big man, we're going to go into KFC.
Hold on, sorry, no, let me see this.
No, let's go into
shit pot.
Why don't you want to go into KFC?
Where you go?
Because I can prove it by going to KFC. Go right to the woman and tell you, say, I was in there today. Let's go. Let me see. Big man.
Any old KFC.
I did not come into KFC.
Why you coming in there for?
Let's go. I have not been there today. Big man, I have not been into KFC today. I have not.
Yeah, that's some problem in a big man.
Big man, take
what are you doing there?
I have not been here today.
Then what are you doing there?
How can I be here today if I've not been in there? I haven't been inside today. I have not. I have not been here today. Let's go to the bar.
Go take this in the one.
Close them.
Huh?
Come.
Use the bathroom for KFC, so I tell you.
Oi, man.
Oi.
Why are you doing that? This man is accusing me of shit.
Go on out of
Come out have people in place, man.
Call the security. Call the This man says he's the janitor. And I should have...
Come out of the people in place.
I should have been there. I should have been putting in here.
Oh, man.
Sir.
Go to...
It's not
Big man.
Take.
Keep them blood. Go to...
I wasn't here.
Blood clot where you come from, you come
I don't know what this madness is. But hang on.
You can't do
Big
slap
man.
with a cutlass.
I was
You want
not.
some stuff with that cutlass? Get
So
out of
go
here,
on
man.
the camera. No, I'm going to record.
Where you go?
I'm going to record.
Janitor for KFC. And they say they just came out KFC and shit and don't use the bathroom.
No.
So what's that? Tell me, what's going on?
Oh.
I don't understand that. What's going on?
No, me come at KFC.
Yeah,
Which
KFC.
KFC.
The one up there.
No, me no go first. From me coming from morning, me just left work not too long. Come right there, so me not gonna further than this.
You're telling lie. I'm gonna ask you kindly to go and flush the toilet, okay? Hold this.
Hold on.
I'm the janitor and I'm
Mhm.
asking you kindly to
Mhm.
go and flush the
Come
toilet.
here, come here.
No,
Come with me.
where you going?
Come with me right there, so me I go with you. Come
Where
here,
you going?
come here.
Sir,
That's so me I go.
sir, listen to me. Listen to me. No, listen to me, listen to me good.
Because me just don't do one work, that's how I go. Come here. Let me prove something to you.
So them a tell lie.
Oh, you mean?
So where you go?
Right there.
Hold on, where you go?
Right there, soup man.
So me a talk to you, turn up person and me talk to you.
Eh.
Them say you come in at the place and shit in at it a while ago.
No. Come here, man. Come here.
So where you go?
Soupy.
No, nobody call Soupy because
Soupy.
Soupy can't help you.
Soupy.
Soupy can't, you have to go for
Soupy.
You could have called Soupy
Come
some
here.
more.
Come here.
Me say you could have
You're
called
getting
Soupy
coming
some
right now.
more.
You're
You
getting
know
coming
me
right now.
I tell you, go lock up your
Lock me up, you have to go lock up my rascal.
So turn up now.
You have to go lock me up. Soupy.
Turn up when me lock
Me
up
come
you.
from work and I used to come from work. Which but me go to KFC go use times and no flush it.
Then you go back KFC a while ago.
Oh.
I say a prank man, a prank.
Which prank? I ain't go back KFC a while.
I rump you,
Man, what you doing now?
I rump you, blood clot rump with me.
I say a prank man, a prank.
Man, what you doing now?
I rump with me.
Man, what you doing now?
Prank man, a prank.
I rump with me.
Yeah, I ain't go back KFC a while ago.
Hey boy, don't make me this year.
This what?
Don't make me blood clot.
Tell me on the camera so. Oi! Me ain't ramp with you in a big man. Man, what you doing now? Lick out what? Oh, you flip me out. I'm work me I do. You idiot. You can't do me nothing. Yo, come flush the toilet in a big man. I'm ramping with you, you know. I say come flush the toilet. Yo. Fling now. Alright. Me ain't laughing with you, you know. Do what you do. Me see if you're a bad boy today. Come flush the toilet now. Yo, Ella, come flush the toilet, big man. Yo, Ella. Hold it. Come flush the toilet, man. It's too nasty. What you gonna do? Say do what you do now. Do what you do now. Do what you do now. Come in, a big man. What me do? Alright, yeah, what me gonna do? No, but what you know? I them telling me now. Oh! Kill me! Yo, man, what you doing now? Man, what you doing now? You can't do nothing, man. Come in, go walk there. Hey, yo, the elders are come flush the toilet here. Come in now. What we do? I'm work, me I do, brother. Tell us how you use the toilet, brother. Yo, me I go by police station right now. Yo, me I go by police station. Me I go by police station. Yo, me I go by Yo, me I go by police station right now. Yo, me I go. Yo, me I go by police.
Move yourself on here.
What? Move yourself. So me and you go have you right now. Where you from? Right now me and you go have you. Where you from? Eh? You not come to style it? Eh? Run in for me now. Run in for me now. Daddy, just ease yourself now, come to style it.
Anyone on the right.
You know, so I have to take on a bicycle right now.
Anyone on the take you with me.
This is how you walk. Come flush it tightly. I'm going to take on a bicycle. What? If I take on a bicycle, it's sitting wrong. And I'm not taking on a bicycle, it's sitting wrong. I have to take on a bicycle. I say, I have to take on a bicycle to the daddy. I have to take on a bicycle today. Lick him, man, no? Lick him. I have to take on a bicycle today. Look at that deal. I have to take on a bicycle today. I have to take on a bicycle today. See a bicycle? Yeah, ride with a bicycle. I have to ride with it today.
Daddy, what are you doing?
One contact me picture.
Take which picture?
What happened? My no God with daddy taking picture now.
Daddy, so next one this or that take a picture. See him there and I think I joke. See man. Yo, come gang him now.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
Elder, what you just do?
Stop, man. Stop. I mind you mess up. People clear. Under prison.
Yo, take out that bicycle, bro.
Hey, man, you make him fling you over here, so you know. Man, you make him fling you over here, so. Cause me don't know why me think Capo did have better sense.
Capo, man, take out your bicycle, you know.
I think should have run up in you.
Hey, nobody come.
Hey, man, watch it.
I think should have run up in you.
You know better. Just keep it.
How long time you want to kill me, you know?
Yes. Unite too.
Yo. I have to take away your bicycle, brother. Remember me telling you that. If I take away your bicycle, sitting wrong, brother. I take away that bicycle, Capo. Give me a clear lift. Come on, kids, what I'm shit on.
What?
Or you come on, kids, what I'm
What do I?
or you come on, take those styles and flush your while ago.
Who?
Yo,
Me?
the things I want to see up on the camera, brother. You know, long made point yourself. Man, times I want to see you there.
Who?
Brother, let's come flush your styles and come out here.
What do I? Move your bum.
Oh, where you at? Yo.
Where you
Come
bum?
out, I can't come flush your styles.
Flush your style. Look for me blood clot foot, brother. Look for me good.
Them are you, man. Them saying I
You
want.
know what rats clot, woman.
I fool that take me find you.
What do this brother, man?
Yo, just come now. Yo, brother, go flush style it, my brother.
Flush will style it, brother.
No,
Yeah, you
use
style it. Where?
I'm here, Janitor over
Where?
there now.
Where?
KFC.
Which KFC?
Just a while ago over there, so.
Your blood stuff.
I'm going to the police station with you, right?
Brother, don't come in. Don't
What
come
do you mean
in.
don't come in? Yeah, come in here, I can't flush the tile right now.
If you don't come in on this blood clot. Yeah, yeah.
Come flush the tile.
Which style it, brother?
Up at KFC, I'm here, Janitor up there, brother. I tell you.
I see if you don't see a man run after your rats clot. That's what it. Where you going to tell me what KFC?
Wait, I lie, you tell you. You don't see no man run off from. No, you're going to my police station, right?
One on them fucking body. I just want their brother.
Huh? This man used the toilet a while ago. Animal park.
No. Just come from that store.
How shall I know shit now, sir? How shall I know shit now, sir? Can I see my point for you?
No, sir.
Nobody, yo, nobody, me on a dog. Yo, you're the man a par, you see pan you, no dog. I man just find pan you and walk off, you know.
Out there, you said me just come from.
Out I wish did this, sir. Yo, come flush the toilet, because I know you shit now.
No, what they tell me just come from.
Yo, Wallace. We just come out I wish did this, sir.
Go ask the lady in the club.
No, nobody come ask no lady. Where you go? Nobody come ask no lady. Just Wallace.
Me not go hold it up, because me not going to tie it for man.
Brother, Wallace, no brother.
Me not go hold it, me not going to tie it for man.
Them are the man apart, brother. You see man just touch you a while ago, brother. Are you, brother?
If you touch me, I mean,
Wallace.
me not know nothing about
That's
him.
just go flush the toilet.
Me not know him.
You think you go flush?
Me not know him.
What you mean you don't know him?
No, sorry, first, me just see
Them know you laugh too.
No, treat me here, you say.
Me not say nothing, man.
No, you
Wallace.
say you don't make him see what they on the phone and him a walk away. And me turn up, me say me not going to rain because me have flu. And me turn up, me wait till the rain over there. Because see that supermarket, me just come from. And buy me own and me see.
What you say like?
Me have in a supermarket.
What you say
See
like?
bill, yeah.
You're a big man.
Yes. But
Wallace, man.
no, me
Go
sure you say bill, yeah.
Wallace, no man. Wallace, no.
Yeah, but me
Just go flush the toilet, man.
don't know where to tell it, though. Me go flush the
For
toilet.
KFC where you use.
No, sir,
Go
Jesus.
flush the toilet.
Me don't go flush the toilet because me don't know. Me don't know nothing about toilet.
Go flush the toilet, man.
Me don't know nothing about toilet. Me don't know a supermarket.
Then why ain't touch you and run off?
See me bill, yeah.
See him touch you and run off.
No, me not touch me, man.
And are you?
No, boss, see me bill, yeah.
And are you? You're sure it's not you?
Me sure,
Put down
man.
for your knees, man. See.
Me sure, man. Me sure it's not me.
Put down for your knees. You see. You know if I'm
Me say I know me. Me no.
Take off the hat.
See this. Me no.
And are you? What your name? What your name?
I call me name.
Oh.
Me no go nowhere from them from man. See them. Me bill a supermarket, but me go look on case me phone and then also.
So and are you?
No, boss. Me no go in a toilet. So me no bill. Me no go a case.
When last you got KFC? When last you used to go?
Years me no go.
Years you not use the
No, I don't so me buy a case. Me no buy a that's Jackson.
So where you come down here from?
Eh?
You know say me can charge you and lock up that.
But that one me come by boss, so me no go.
Right now, right now, so right now, I can go to my station and in charge of that. You never know that.
Tell us say me no go.
The law.
Yes, but me tell us say me no go.
Right now, you know what me I go do? Me I go seize everything what you have.
No, but me no go down there.
Oh, you mean you not go down there? Then you not just say you go down there?
No, me say Jackson me.
Then you not down a Jackson me attack?
No, me no go.
You know how long me I look for you?
Yeah, me no go down there for
Give me a
money. Me no go down there for.
Give me your bag.
Me no go nowhere there for
Then
money.
you not just say you down there you come from?
No, me say me I down there so me buy, but me no go Jackson. Me no go. Me no go down the place there. Me no go down the place there, boss.
Come with me now, man.
Oh, me go. I mean, I use no bathroom, man. No bathroom, boss.
Come, I go for police.
I don't use a bathroom.
You know what got me to you now?
Yeah.
Then go fine you. So the fine go to be 120,000 a car.
Yeah, but
You
me
come
no
up with toilet.
use no toilet. Me no know nothing about toilet, boss.
So if you save yourself right now, what you can do for yourself?
Me no nothing. See that a supermarket me just come from. Me no go nowhere. Me no even know about toilet. Me no go nowhere go do nothing. From morning, and there so me go. Come in that. Don't give up the fucking more. Too much fucking.
The lucky door.